Here you go, CJ. You're stuck. You're mad.
From the whistle, set the pace. Don't come out flat-footed.
Brendan! Brendan!
Set it up. There it is. Now come up with it. Come up with it. Ah! Pass it. Drag out of that. Control it. Circle up, circle up, circle up. Set up.
6-pounders. 6-pounders. Come on up.
Hit a setup.
106-pounders.
You're shooting straight, no angles. Move them, snap them, then hit it.
Step and go. Shoot your double. Inside ties. Good. You got to step into him. Step into his body.
Pass it, drag out of it.
All 6-pounders.
Pass and high crotch when he posts on your head.
Hey, circle in.
Off the collar.
Circle in. There you go. Set up, set up, set up.
Let's score here. Let's score here, Coleman. You got this. Step and go.
Up with it.
Yeah.
Finish. Go to work. Keep him on the mat. Look for your turn.
Roll forward, free your leg.
Give him a reason right here. Get him to open up. Force him to open up.
Bring that leg. Roll forward. Put light and go.
Twist it. Twist the jar. Twist it. Get off your hip.
Keep going. You're out. You're out. You're out, Corwin. Pressure back up your ankle.
10 seconds. He's too strong for that. You got to break him first. Keep him on the mat. Wear out that energy. Now go to work. Set anchors. Go to work. Don't let him come back off his stomach unless he's going over. Keep wearing him in. Keep driving him in. Keep pressure. Tight waist. Work your arm bars. Work your wings.
Keep it flat. Keep pressure. Hey, keep
Pressure.
It flat. Keep it flat.
Toes digging.
Pressure forward.
Shoulder down.
Pressure now.
Don't get high. Don't get high. Get your boots. There. Go to work. Power, power, power. Get that arm out. Power it. Drive it forward. Right there. Right there. There it goes. There it goes. Drive it forward. Drive it forward. Flip his hip. There's your knees.
Hips on top. Hips on top. Hips on top. Get your
Now finish. Now finish.
Now. Hips on top. Come on, Ray.
Settle back. Scoop it. Good job.